Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Bluey Let's Play how to unlock everything. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store, tap on the search icon and then tap on the search bar and then type in Bluey Let's Play. Now once it loads, tap on the app to download the app. Now once you download the app, in order to unlock everything, typically requires a subscription according to the Bluey wiki. The game offers a half-off rate for the first month, followed by a monthly fee of $6.99 to access all features, while some websites or other modified versions of the game that claim to unlock all the content for free. Downloading and installing such versions can pose security risks and may violate the game's terms of service. For a safe and legitimate experience, it's recommended to use the official in-game subscription options to unlock additional content. So you can simply head over and then tap on this store option, and now all you gotta do is tap on this subscribe now option to unlock everything. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.